the same thing already you know about very well, but we are particularly mentioning such words, probability P of E. Yeah,
Ma'am, can we call probability as surety?
exactly. So P of E, P of E is nothing but P of E is nothing but a probability of an occurrence of an event. We can call it as P of E. P of E is nothing but what we know about P of E, children. What we know about P of E. Yes.
Ma'am, it is the outcome.
Yeah. No, just I want formula, children. You are many days you learned in class 7 too. What is P of E? P of E is nothing but a number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by
Ma'am, what is P and E?
P.
Probability of event, isn't?
Yes, probability of event is nothing but a
Okay.
number of favorable outcomes that make an event divided by total number of
outcome.
possible. Yeah, total number of possible outcomes. Total number of, very important, children, total number of possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. This is the formula, already we know that. Now my question is, there are in sample space, I have white ball, black ball, red ball and green ball. I'm just taking with a small example here. In sample space, yes is nothing but sample space. Yeah, white ball, and here black ball, and here green ball. I'm just writing with the color green. These are in sample space. Just a minute. Yeah. Now my question is, number of favorable outcomes that makes an event. Number of favorable outcomes that makes an event. How many balls are
Excuse me,
there?
ma'am.
White ball, yes, ma'am. Black ball, green ball, yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry for actually joining late. We actually came to Odisha today only. So it
Okay,
was slightly hectic. That's why I had to join late.
it's okay. Ashrita, is it Ashrita?
No, ma'am, it's Shreya.
Shreya, okay, Shreya. Please, today we are discussing about a probability, Shreya. Please continue with this. Already we completed graphs, introduction to graphs. How to work. Yeah, in data handling we are in. So last topic in data handling we have probability topic. Just now I started. I'm giving introduction to your probability. Please continue with that.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Fine. See, children, in sample space, how many, what are the things we have? There are white ball, black ball, green ball, and even a red ball also there. There are four sample space in that, for green and red also four are there. Suppose my question is, what is the probability of, there are total number of possible outcomes to this experiment is 1. What is total number of outcomes? What are total number of outcomes, children?
4.
4. So that means you can take it as the total number of possible outcomes is nothing but a 4 here. That means denominator. If I want to choose a red color ball from this, what is the probability of getting a P of getting a event as a red ball? Yes,
Ma'am, 1/4.
very good. 1/4. Suppose what is the probability of getting a red black ball? Yes,
1/4.
1/4.
probability of getting a black
One
ball
by
is what?
four.
Yes, 1/4. What is probability of getting? Yes, all are 1/4. Probability of
Yes, ma'am.
white, probability of black, probability of red, probability of blue is nothing but 1/4 only. Yes,
Yes.
this is a simple thing, children. In this, what I supposed to want to know, what is dependent event, what is independent events? What are dependent events and what are independent events? That is very important, children. What are dependent events? Dependent and independent.
Ma'am, dependent event means an event which needs a condition to be satisfied to happen.
Very good. Based on condition. Yes. What is an independent event?
Which can happen like that only.
Exactly. We'll go with the random experiments. There you can see that what is the dependent and
Ma'am, like
independent.
raining is an dependent event, but sunrise and sunset are independent.
Wonderful, wonderful. So that means what we can say in general words, children, occurs. Yes. Can we use as a word dependent event as one best example given by Sahu? Ma'am, raining. We are going to predict. We are not sure whether tomorrow is going to rain or not. But sunrise and sunset happens. It's an independent event. It is not depending on anything. Yes. Very good. Similarly, what is random experiment? These are the words you need to learn. Children. Dependent event, independent event, random experiments.
Ma'am, random experiments like we got hurt.
Okay. Yes. What is a random experiment? Is an experiment in which outcome cannot be predicted, children, with certainty. With certainty, we can't predict before the experiment. Before the experiment is done, we can't predict the certainty. What that is nothing but random experiment. Random experiments are often conducted repeatedly so that the collective results may be subject to statistical analysis. Random experiments are continuously happening. Why? It's a randomly today I'm taking random table test. Means what is that random table test? Why I'm taking random table test continuously? I'm asking my students today. I'm going to take a random table test. This is not by one day. I'm continuously random table test. I'm keeping constantly for my students weekly twice or weekly once or monthly once or 2 months once. Why it is happening? Why I supposed to conduct a random experiment here? So that the collective results may be subjected to my statistical. So I want to make my students as perfect in tables. So I'm taking random table test for my students. It's a not often I'm conducting. Oftenly I'm conducting the repeatedly so that the collective results may be subjected towards the statistical analysis. Suppose if I'm taking a tossing a coin and throwing a die are both examples of random experiments. In the first case, suppose if I'm taking a coin, what are possible outcomes, children? Event is possible either head or tail. Suppose in case of die I'm taking, there are 6 outcomes. Maybe it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything. Those are nothing but a random experiment. Random experiment. What is a trail? The word trail. What is the word trail, children? Trail.
Ma'am, trail.
Yes, yes, yes. You are especially boys use the word when they're playing the cricket also. What is the word trail?
Ma'am,
What
are
is
you saying trial?
that is another word. That is trial. You are using the word trial. But this is not a trial ball. Yes, the word they're using trial means
Ma'am,
before.
it's checking it.
Yeah, you are checking. You are
Right.
Ma'am,
before it.
trial means not sure what will happen.
Uh, suppose suppose let me listen. The trial is if an any experiment, when an experiment is doing or experiment is performed once,
Ma'am,
it is
before that, we will try it.
yeah it is called a trial. An experiment is performed once, it is called trial. If we toss same coin 100 times and record each result, each toss would be considered as a trial. with random experiments. Now you understand, children. Suppose I'm taking a coin, I'm tossing 100 times the coin, I'm recording that result. Each toss would be considered as a trail. Each toss would be considered as a trail. The not only this trail, and we have equally likely outcomes. What is equally likely outcomes? Sometimes the word deterministic experiments. What is a deterministic experiment? What are those deterministic experiments? Determine. What is the meaning of determine?
To understand or to guess.
Exactly. If you know the English words meaning, the probability is more easy. Determine. Deterministic experiment. What is deterministic experiment? Are an experiments in which the results can be predicted before the experiment is conducted. We can predict before the experiment
Yes, so
is
like
going
after
to
adding curd to milk, that milk will curdle.
Exactly. So this type of experiments, we call it as deterministic experiments. Suppose if a stone is dropped from the window, it is known as undoubtedly that the stone will go down or go up. What happens, children?
Down,
If
ma'am.
you are sitting near the window, you just put one stone outside, it will go up or down.
Down, ma'am.
Yeah, that is nothing but a deterministic experiments. You can predict before the experiment. Yes, did you understand what is deterministic experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
these are the
ma'am.
words. Yeah, children, I'm not giving any notes because the terminology you're supposed to learn when you're going to senior classes. The terminology is very important. What is trial? What is deterministic experiment? What is random experiment? What is independent and dependent events? What is event? What is an experiment? These are the words. What is probability? Probability is you know that very well. What is probability? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. What is sample space? These are the things you have to learn. Let me give one or two words, whatever the terminology is given in this chapter, then we can start with our examples. Equally likely outcomes. What is equally likely outcomes? What is equally likely outcomes? If probability of occurrence of any outcome, if probability of occurrence of any outcome is the same, they are called equally likely outcomes. So for example, if you take a coin, children, you take a coin and toss many times. We are recording the number of times the coin shows up head or tails. Whatever in these cases, we say the different outcomes of the experiments are equally likely. Yes or no? The words we are using equally likely. Yes, children? In other words, we can say each outcome has the same chance of occurring. Same chance of occurring.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
equal probability.
Yes, these are the words, children. Now let me go with our original concept of probability. Please put a heading. Yeah, first question. If you flip a coin once, what is the probability of getting head or tail?
1/2.
That's all.
1/2.
Very good. It's a very simple question. It's very easy to. That means total number of possible outcomes are two. One is head, one is tail. If you flip a coin once, you have have two equally likely outcomes, head or tail. These outcomes together represent the sample space. I already said about sample space. So P of head is nothing but P of H is nothing but head. Head is the chance is 1/2. P of H tail is nothing but 1/2. Second question. What is the probability of getting any number from 1 to 6? Any number from 1 to
1 by
6.
6.
1 by
Yes.
6.
Any, what is the, yeah, listen, complete question, children. What is the probability of getting any number from 1 to 6 when we throw a die? When we throw
Ma'am,
a,
it is 1 by 6.
very good, it's 1 by 6. Not only that, you need to find, also show that the sum of the probabilities of all outcomes is nothing but,
Ma'am, that will be 1, no?
very good. Why? Because suppose if you take the probability of getting and 1 is 1 by 6. Yes, probability of getting 2 is
1
also
by 6.
Again 1 by 6.
So same way probability of getting 6 is also 1 by 6. If you add up all the events, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 6 like that, 6 times if you add up 6 by
Ma'am,
6.
we can make it 1 by 6 into 6, which
Yeah.
is 1.
Very good. 1 by 6 into 6, 6 times 1 by 6 repeated. So 1 by 6 into 6 is also 6 by 6, 6, 1. Very good. Next, coming to the next one. Next question. What is the probability of getting number 8 on die when it is tossed? Yes, just now I
0.
told. Probability of getting 8. Because 1 to 6 only we have.
There are
today.
only 6
No number
faces of
like,
the cube.
is no number like 8, so that we can go with the probability of occurrence of number 8 on the dice is 0. Very good. Suppose one more question for you, children. Please answer my question. A coin is twice. A coin is a coin tossed twice. Draw up a sample space of an event. Coin is tossed twice. Tossed twice. You need to write you need to draw the sample space of an event. Sample space means what I said, children, possible outcomes.
Ma'am, probability.
Yes, what is sample
Ma'am,
space?
2 by 6.
Yes, 2 by 6. What is probability? The sample space means what? Suppose 2 coins you are tossing together. One coin head tail, very good. Both the coins you may get a head and a head, right?
Okay, it is coin.
Oh, yeah. What is another? Maybe it's a tail and tail.
Tail head.
Yeah. What is another chance, children?
Tail head.
Tail and
Tail
head.
head.
Very good. Tail and head. There are the sample space is nothing but all possible favorable outcomes. Yes. This is the thing, children. Sample space is nothing but total number of. Next one. Suppose Ravi has 3 t-shirts of red, green and yellow. Ravi has how many t-shirts with him? Ravi has 3.
Two.
Ravi has 3 t-shirts. 3 shirts of red, green, yellow color. Of red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, and 2 jeans of blue and black. 2 jeans. Even you can try with your questions. You can create your own questions. 2 jeans of blue and black. Blue and black colors on his closet. What are the different combinations of t-shirt and jean pants he can wear? Yes, children, you got my question?
It will be 6.
Okay, how it will be 6? So Ravi has 3 t-shirts of different colors. These are the colors. 2 jeans of 2 colors. How many? My question is, what are the different combinations of t-shirts and
Ma'am,
jeans?
with all the 3 t-shirts, he can wear both of those pants. So it is total 6.
Yes, ma'am. 3 plus 3, 6.
3?
Ma'am, with all the three t-shirts, he can once
No,
wear the black
what
one
is
and once
what
the
is
blue one.
yeah, what is favorable? Please, sample space. Please tell the sample space. Suppose he can wear a red and
Black.
Red and blue, red and black, then
red
green and
and
blue,
blue,
green and
red
black,
and
yellow
green
and blue,
and
yellow
then
and black.
black, red
Green,
and blue.
blue, green, black,
green,
yellow,
blue,
blue,
green,
yellow,
black,
black.
and yellow, blue, yellow,
Very
black.
good. Green, blue,
So
like
total
that.
6.
Green, black.
Black.
Yes, very good. Same way. Last one is yellow, blue, yellow.
Yellow, black.
A total, how many combinations you are getting, children?
And 6.
6 pairs. Like that, you can prepare even your own questions. You can try them. This is the best example I'm giving for your understanding. Next one. What is a simple event, a compound event, and a simple event? These are
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, did teacher came?
Teacher's not there.